guys, welcome back to the vlog. Not much has happened this week. I was supposed to get my hair done yesterday, but my best friend who does my hair cut her finger open and she needs stitches. So my hair appointment is postponed. My hair needs help. Just had a relaxing day. We're watching the All-Star game and yeah, just hanging out with the dogs. So I filmed a couple of YouTube videos today. I did my February favorites because I didn't realize that it was already March. So I filmed that as well as this makeup tutorial, which is like an affordable drugstore makeup tutorial, mainly e.l.f. Cosmetics. But I wanted to talk about these lashes because I found these because they're the only drugstore lashes that I had in my lash drawer, and I honestly don't remember when I bought these, where I bought these, but they are the Eyelure Luxe Silk lashes. This is what the box looks like. I don't think there's like a name or anything on here. But I really like them. They are fuller, but they remind me of when I had lash extensions, just because this is such a weird angle, but they're just so fluffy and sparse. Anyways, I'm taking them off right now because I'm done filming. Look at the difference. It's so weird now because I don't wear lashes all the time. Like after wearing them for a while, I have to take them off just because it feels so weird to have stuff on my lashes. I don't know. Anybody else? Today we are making ube pandesal. Which is a Filipino bread with cheese in the middle. And I made this once last time, but I messed up and forgot a step to let it rise for like an hour. So it was like super dense. The dough was like still dense. It was like mochi texture. So this time I will be making sure that I'm gonna let it rise for the full time. Anyways, this is what I got so far. Just the dough. Now I'm adding in my ube jam. And ube extract. And the thing with this is it makes a really sticky dough. So it's gonna get messy. Going to oil the surface, oil my hands. I placed it in the bowl. I'm gonna cover it with some plastic wrap and let it set for like an hour or so until it doubles in size. So I actually let it rise overnight and look at, it's like double the size now. And next I'm going to, actually I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm going to divide the dough, put some cheese on the inside, and then roll that in some breadcrumb. Okay, so I already did this to the other half, but you just cut your dough in half and then you divide this into 6 pieces, evenly, kind of. And then you're just going to take your dough, make it into like a round circle, take your chunk of cheese, put it in the middle, and then you really want to make sure that where you placed it is all pinched together, because you don't want your cheese to come out of the dough. This one's kind of small. And then you're just gonna roll it in some bread crumbs and place it on your pan about 1 inch apart. And this is what they should look like. And now we are just going to let them rise for 30 minutes to an hour. So we'll be back for these. There's a glare, but they look so fluffy. The last time I made them, they weren't as fluffy, so this is a good sign. They look so good. Ta-da! Wow. So much better than last time. They're way bigger and fluffier. Yum. It's breakfast time for these two. Sit. Wait. Look at me. Okay, good boy. And then we have this messy boy. Oh. Air Bud. Uh-oh, here comes Jealous. Whoa.
My daughter. Taken away on her 16th birthday. Dragged down. I have a feeling I'll see you soon. You brought us this far. Let's go the rest of the way.
How many toys did you get for us?
Just the one. I need one great man in my heart.